Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what the stock market is and how it actually works? Today we're breaking it down in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it like an auction house for businesses. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company, making you a part owner. 2. How does it work? Companies list their stocks on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. Investors then buy and sell these stocks based on supply and demand. If more people want a stock, its price goes up. If fewer people want it, the price goes down. 3. Why do people invest? People invest in stocks to grow their wealth. Some hold stocks for the long term, hoping their value increases. Others trade stocks daily to make quick profits. The goal? Make more money than you started with. 4. Risks rewards. Of course, investing isn't risk-free. Stocks can go up and down based on company performance, economic changes, or even global events. That's why research and patience are key. And that's the stock market in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy financial tips. See you in the next one.